Is it worth it? That's why we're here today in Jefferson to check out this beautiful farmhouse and see what my buyers think. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, and they are asking $397,000 for it. It's an old farmhouse, and it is right on the road, as I have to get out of the way for that car that just drove by. Let's get this camera turned around, check out the outside, but look at the neighbors. There aren't any. Just cars. Vinyl siding, architectural shingles. Some of the posts are rotten out there. And Bilco doors. Nice yard. We'll check that out in a minute. We'll just crawl through here. Yeah, some of these posts are rotten out. I think this is the worst one here. And a good driveway. Nice deck out back, fenced backyard, and just backing up to more farmland. And there's a nice shed over there. Let's head on in and take a look. Large living room. Windows are newer. And dining space, I think. These floors are a little chopped up here. So I definitely think we need new floors. Yeah, there's been some water damage in here for sure. These floors are all kind of beat up. And we have a powder room here. Good sized pantry. Let's see if we have a basement here that we have to go through. Here's the HVAC, which is, I have no idea what that age is. 14 maybe? Total guess. Entrance out to the deck over here in the driveway. Let's head on up. So they do have central air all the way through here. Over here, we have one full bathroom. Good tile work. And here is one bedroom. Pretty good size, especially for the age. How's the closet? Good size closet too. And over here. Another bath in here, full bath. Tile needs some work. Got a little rust coming through there.
See, I could see us being here. Well, I could see us being here.
Washer and dryer. Ooh, look how dirty that thing is. I don't know if the camera can show it in there, but there's like a inch or two of dirt on those things. Hadn't been changed in a while, not letting the system breathe. These are really good sized rooms, especially for this age of house. And we have another level. Check out the attic. Looks unfinished, but it is floored and makes an awesome storage space. Oop, that's a wasp. Leave me alone. Okay, you're right. I'm gonna leave. All right, so we got wasps in here, and I'm allergic, so I'm gonna get out. But good space.